Hello, friends. You can see this is Switzerland, a most romantic gateway and paradise on earth. This is the most beautiful place. It is European country home to high peaks of Alps, also known for hiking trails and ski resorts. There are number of beautiful lakes in Switzerland. I have compiled this video from my Switzerland trip. We started from Paris, took TGV Lyria train from Gare de Lyon to Basel. Further from Basel to Lucerne took Swiss rail. Now we are in Lucerne. I am very near to my hotel. Weather is very pleasant here and I am taking walk towards my hotel. Now we are going to Interlaken by train. Swiss rails are customized for better sightseeing with full glass windows. Views during the train travels are quite serene. Switzerland is full of beautiful villages. They look like picture postcards when you see through the train. We reached Interlaken. First we will take Lake Bringe round trip cruise. With mirror like turquoise water, beautiful views, Lake Brin's cruise is unforgettable experience. It is 2.5 hours of complete bliss. There is playing area for kids while you enjoy the views. These boats are really old, more than 50 years, but you can see how well they have maintained it. Now we are in Angelberg. Angelberg can be reached by car, bus or by train. This is Angelberg station. We reached here by train from Lucerne. We are going to Titlis now. First we will need to reach Titlis Valley station, which is 10 minutes walk from here. Hello, this is Switzerland. We reached Titli Valley station here. You can see lots of package tour buses here. Weather is quite pleasant here. As we will go up the mountain, it will turn colder. We are in the month of June. This is the summer time of Switzerland. We are on the cable car now on our way to the top of Mount Titlis. First we will reach stand. From stand we will take Rotair. Rotair is revolving cabin for 360-degree views. Slowly we can see the landscape changing from green valleys to snow-capped mountains. Complete ride from Titlis Valley station to mountain top will take 20 minutes. Switzerland has been the choice for Hollywood and Bollywood movies. Titlis top you can see the cutout of Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol from the movie DDLJ, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. We are on the ice flyer now. It is complete thrilling experience with open to air chair type lift, which takes you from the mountain station over the glacier to Titlis Glacier Park. There are a lot of fun activities in Glacier Park. You can slide down the snow slope any number of times without worrying about reaching back to the top, as there are travelators for the same. I took the challenge to dance without music here. This is our complete journey of 4 days in Switzerland, which was memorable and full with fun activities. Hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.